Hi guys, my name is Aljon Sigascon Jr. from BSIT2E. Dito nilagay ko lang yung skeleton ng C++, which is hashtag include stream using namespace std and return to 0. And dito, nilagay ko lang yung cout, enter a number, cin number. Then we use an if else statements. If number %2 equals 0, we print that the number is even. Otherwise, we print that it is odd. And now let's run the program. First, I enter number 8 and the display is 8 is even. Next, I enter number 15 and the display is 15 is odd. And both test cases give the correct output. In conclusion, by using the modulus operator and an if-else statement, we can easily determine if a number is even or odd. And yun lang po. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Jaime Peralta Antalan III from BS82. Dito is kinode ko na agad but I will explain it line by line. Dito sa hashtag include isostream is yung kanyang skeleton. Ang kanyang skeleton is hashtag include isostream using namespace std and return 0. Dito is tinatawag natin ang variable. Sa cout, dito nyo tatawagin yung mga integers na integers a, b, and c. Dito sa int is if a is greater than or equal to b and a is greater than or equal to c, tatawagin niya is ang largest natin ay ia. And else if b is greater than or equal to a and b is greater than or equal to c, the largest is, wait malito, the largest is b. Else, largest is c. Let's start the program. This is to determine the largest of the three numbers entered by the user. And the pseudocode is, let's ask the program to enter the three numbers A, B, and C and compare the numbers. Here, if A is greater than or equal to both B and C, A is the largest. Else if B is greater than or equal to both A and C, B is the largest. Otherwise, C is the largest. Let's start. Nakita nyo naman na ang largest number is 85. And in the program, we declare three integers A, B, and C. And we ask the user to input all three numbers. We use an if else if ladder to compare the three numbers and store the largest one in variable called largest. Finally, we print the largest number and let's test again the program. First, I enter 4, then 9, and 2. And the output is the largest number is 9. Next, let's do it again. Again. Next, I will enter, let's try 10, 10, and 2. It shows that the largest number is 10. And both tests is case give correct results. And by using conditional statement, we can easily identify the largest value among three input numbers. And that's all. Thank you.
My name is Rafael Joshua Costa from 2E. This is the skeleton of C++. hashtag include iOS stream. Username is namespace std and return 0. May hinandang code dito. First is cout, enter first number and cin num1, and cout enter second number, then cin num2, cout sum num1 plus num2, end line, cout difference num1 minus num2, end line, cout the product num1 times num2, end line, and cout quotient num1 divided by num2, end line. Cout division by 0 is not allowed. Then the second problem is the simple calculator. The program asks the user for two numbers and compute the sum, difference, product, and quotient. Pseudocode explanation. Start the program as the user enter two number. Compute the sum, difference, and product of two number. If the second number is not 0, compute the quotient, otherwise show an error message. Display all results. And the program and the C++ code we can include the iOS library. We declare two variables num1 and num2. As a double the handle decimals, we promote the user's input both number. Difference in product to avoid dividing by 0. We use an statement if num2 is not 0. We calculate the quotient, otherwise we display an error message. Let's run the program. First, I enter the 10 and 5. The sum is 15, the difference is 5, the product is 50, and the quotient is 2. Then next I enter is 7 and 0. The sum is 7, the difference is 7, the product is 0. Division by 0 is not allowed.